Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm doing this fabulous summertime look. It's like a fiery, orangey, yellowy, reddy, something, whatever you want to call it. Let me know so I can change the title to your whatever, your title. But if you want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. All right, guys, here is the final look. And that is all. The glitter is from Araya Madison on Instagram. I use the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, as y'all seen. And I use a little bit of the Color Festival, but other than that, I just have, it's a very simple look. It looks like it's not, but it really is. It's like 3 colors I use, I think. Maybe even 2. No, it's 3. But alright guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more color combos for the summertime, leave those down below. And I will see y'all in the next video, guys. Peace. Also, I will have Araya Madison's link to her Instagram page in the link, or in the description box down below. Peace.